Hi, I'm a young carer.
A young carer is someone who helps a loved one at home.
Any young person under 18 could be a young carer.
Your loved one might live with a mental illness, an alcohol or drug addiction, or a physical illness.
YMCA helped me through hard times and helped me be myself.
YMCA helped me to leave the house and be social.
YMCA Young Carers helped me by building my confidence.
Hi, I'm a young carer.
I'm a young carer.
Hi, I'm a young carer.
I'm a young carer.
I'm a young carer.
If you think you might be a young carer, contact your local council for support.